Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening Task Scheduler immediately. Press Start, type Task Scheduler, and press Enter. Once the console appears, make sure you have administrator rights because many tasks require elevation. Expand Task Scheduler library on the left pane and navigate to the folder that contains the target task. If you have many tasks, use the search box or filter by name, author, or trigger to find it quickly. Once located, select the task so its details appear in the center pane, and you're ready to proceed. You now inspect the task before deletion to avoid removing something critical. Click the task and read the General, Triggers, Actions, Conditions, and Settings tabs to understand what it does and who created it. Make sure the next runtime and trigger type match what you expect. If it's running, right-click and choose End, then wait until the state changes to Ready or Disabled. If the task uses system accounts or has multiple triggers, double-check ownership and dependencies so you don't break automation elsewhere. You complete the process by deleting and verifying removal. Right-click the selected task and choose Delete. Confirm the prompt to permanently remove it. After deletion, refresh the task library to ensure it's gone and check Event Viewer under Microsoft Windows Task Scheduler for confirmation logs. If the GUI refuses to delete, open an elevated PowerShell window and run remove scheduled task name, your task name, and specify task path if needed. If permission errors continue, verify you're running as
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.